Il n'y a rien de ça.
Il saute. Pas mal.
Rien que ça saute.
On y va, non?
Ouais, les gars.
Les zombies, ça, ils disent on va payer le contrat à 35 heures par semaine.
Wesh!
C'est furieux. Il a fait une bombe. Il a plongé tellement près aussi du... C'est tellement près. Ils ont au pont là-bas.
Allez, les gars. Allez, les gars.
Baby, allez, stop. Where are you? No. All right, let's go. Ah, look out. I'm behind Joss.
Andiamo.
Okay, you're Alyssa. The voice, yeah. The voice is so hard.
A tu wszędzie piszą takie... Chcesz? Zdjęcie?
Tak.
Ten... Pogóra, to słowa piszą.
No, grazie, ora ho finito le ferie, si va a casa.
Oh, yeah, this is better. No. True.
That balcony.
I know. Somebody lives there, or is that a hotel?
No, that's hotel. More like hotel.
Oh,
Over there,
look at
by the
that
way,
view.
I'm gonna show you from here. It's not that visible, but you can see the restaurant in the cave. So, there is the restaurant in the cave.
Oh, okay.
So let's keep walking in this beautiful
Sì, sì, con mio amico del Senegal l'ho preso
streets and town. Look here, wow, so beautiful, all around, full of tourists everywhere.
In New York. In New York. Oh, New York. Very good. No, Not New York. New York? No. New York?
And the center it's made with these small streets, small and beautiful boutiques and shops. That make the atmosphere so nice and relaxing. And when there is no cars around, then it's even more beautiful and peaceful. Wow, the houses are so nice. Small houses, maximum 2 or 3 pieces, 3 floors. And then everywhere there is a balcony, there will be a lot of people enjoying the view and the atmosphere.
C'est là la rue, non? On va pas prendre la rue de... Mare,
Vamos a entrar a Cacaíno. Qué linda esta ropa, qué lindo.
Wow, look how beautiful are these houses, guys. All made with the same style, stones outside and white or grey colors, natural of the stones. So beautiful. And here we are in another central square of Polignano. This is more populated during the evening when it's fresher. And also here you have a lot of B&B hotel. Here it's Palazzo del Suono del Mare, and then you have another hotel, it's Grotta Palazzesa, the most famous and exclusive hotel of Polignano Mare. And there a lot of bars and restaurants for having your lunch or better dinner here during the evening. Wow. And look at the houses, most of them with big terrace from where you can have a wonderful view on the sea, and you will really enjoy your stay in Polignano. Wow, amazing, the atmosphere inside Polignano, guys. Everywhere beautiful corner and views. So anyway, if you are in the sea with a sea view, or if you are in the center of the town, it will be beautiful anyway. And here we are at the end of the old town. So from here you can also ride by car just till this point, from where then it will start the pedestrian area. And here it's the entry of Grotta Palazzese, the 5-star hotel, the luxury hotel of Polignano. And here the balcony. Muovo quanti pesci.
Sempre avuto così e poi prima erano chiarissimi, io ne vedo un po'. Ciao!
Ciao, buonasera. So guys, this was a walking tour of Polignano a Mare, the amazing Polignano Mare in summertime, the beginning of summertime. So now we are at the beginning of June, it's Sunday, and so beautiful Polignano. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, very hot, a lot of people around and tourists as you can see, but magic Polignano Mare. Wow, bellissima. So grazie a tutti amici, thank you for watching, and we will see you soon with more and more videos from la bella Italia. Ciao ciao.